hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am gonna be doing this makeup look. Get ready with me if you guys are interested on getting this summery night look, then just keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face. After priming my face, as you guys can see, I'm just dotting my face with foundation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend with my brush. So I'm using the yellow shade here from the Kleancolors eyeshadow palette. I do recommend this palette. Is really easy to work with. It has pretty nice shades and really pigmented. I do recommend it. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. As you guys can see, I didn't show my palette, but I used an orangey tone. You can use any orange that you would prefer. So I'm just finishing here with my second eye with this orangey tone, and just make sure that you keep on blending together with the yellow tone underneath. So now I'm going to be using a shimmery green, and we're going to be putting it as if you're doing a halo eye. And as you guys can see, I'm doing it with my finger because I think that it's like more pigmented with your finger, so I just rather do it with my finger, you know, instead of using a brush. So yeah, just make sure that you blend that real good. So I'm grabbing a darker green to put it on my inner corner and on my outer, so in that way it could really blend together with the shimmery green in the middle, and as well with the orangey tone and the yellow tone on the top. So just make sure you tap it, and that way you could slowly blend it with the shimmery green and the other colors. Oh shit, you guys caught me. Well, now I'm just doing my second eye, and we're just gonna keep on blending, okay? And guys, let me tell you, I'm not a makeup artist, so I did kind of went into the shimmery shadow, but I just added some more, so no big deal. Just make sure that it looks just the way that you want it. So just make sure that you really blend those two together. For concealer, I'm using the Revlon in the shade Light. So now I'm just setting up my concealer with the setting powder. I didn't bake, I just went through the places where I applied the concealer to set it up, and that's about it. So as you guys can see, I'm done putting my lashes. Now I'm gonna go with my highlight. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my nude lipstick on, and it is my favorite. I love it. And let me tell you guys can put any type of lipstick on. I think it'll look nice, but in my case, I decided to wear something nude. So I hope you guys like it. And guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll be back with more videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Bye. Time starts to pass before